Hello, this is day 2 of Kwanzaa, Kujichagulia, self-determination. So as we enter the last days of 2020, right, you may be on a mission to plan for a more robust 2021. However, you've got to be so determined in that thing. There's a thing called preparation and planning that helps to reinforce the foundation of your self-determination. Being an entrepreneur is so challenging, but it's so rewarding. What I want for you during this day 2 of Kwanzaa is to really decide what and where you place your energies, right? Determination requires so much of our energy. I want you to really map out where is the best place for you to place those energies and be really determined in laying down the foundation of how to get to where you want to go at the end of 2021. Where do you see your vision? Where do you see yourself falling into? How are you going to give out those gifts that you've been given? How are we going to impact change in our community, right? I want you to really map that thing out. We can be determined, but we have to really be strategic in how we are being determined, right? How do we drive in that determination home so that we see some results in our business? And that way we don't spin our wheels, nor do we just flatline or plateau or burnout, right? Because your energy is so valuable and so sacred that you really, really must make sure that you are planning out how you expend that energy in the best ways. So happy Kujichagulia. I want you to be so determined, but I want you to implement some strategies and some planning on where you place that self-determination so that you see some results at the end of the road. Alrighty, happy Kwanzaa.